What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best dishwashers in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the Farberware Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher, also known as the best countertop dishwasher available on the market in 2022. The Farberware Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher sits on any sturdy work surface or table and gives you the option of using a built-in water tank or quick connect faucet fittings. It offers 5 different wash cycles and can also be used to steam clean baby bottles or give your glassware a brilliant shine. It includes folding wire shelves and cutlery rack. The device gives you the option to fill the built-in tank or attach it directly to the sink. The steam generated during the baby care cleaning cycle can be used to steam clean bottles and give glassware a glossy finish. Furthermore, the quick cycle allows you to clean items in just 40 minutes, and when you're done, automatic air circulation helps to dry the dishes. Of course, there's also an air exchange function that can be used with any washing program to improve the drying performance and prevent any unpleasant odor. What some users point out as a drawback is that you may need an adapter, which is not included in the package, to make the hose fit your faucet. All in all, it's a good option if you're looking for a practical and simple dishwasher that allows you to place it on the kitchen counter or wherever you want to use it. We like that it has several wash cycles, including a drying process, which is very important to keep the cutlery and plates dry. If we had to give you any negative point, it would be that you'll have to find an adapter to connect it, as it's not included. The Farberware Portable Dishwasher is a compact product that can be lifted, moved around the room, or loaded into a vehicle with relative ease. It weighs only 35 pounds and is equipped with dual filling options, allowing the user to connect the dishwasher directly to the faucet or manually fill the dishwasher with a bucket of water. This versatility makes it a great choice for both home and camping, so users never have to worry about washing dishes by hand, even while enjoying the outdoors. The Farberware Complete Portable Dishwasher contains a 5-liter water tank and enough capacity to wash just 2 places. However, it includes a baby care function to sterilize bottles and other baby accessories, keeping them free from bacteria, fungi, mold, and viruses. Due to its small size, this model works well for one person, a couple, or a new family, and has a removable plate rack and cutlery. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. If you're in search of a product that'll provide you with the top bang for the buck, we especially single out the Frigidaire 18 dishwasher for you, also known as the best value dishwasher on the market in 2022. This machine is available in 3 colors. It has 6 cycles, including light wash, intensive wash, porcelain and crystal, and energy-saving options. You can schedule cleaning outside of peak hours using the 2 to 4 hour delay start feature. This practical function is particularly liked by users. The dedicated sensor adjusts the cleaning cycle based on how dirty your load is. For maximum cleanliness, Energy Star certification means you'll save significantly on your electricity bills, and the heated drying system ensures your dishes are water stain-free and ready to use as soon as the dishwasher has done its job. When cleaning is complete, the machine beeps and the light stays on, so you don't have to worry. The Frigidaire 18 dishwasher has a noise level of 52 decibels. A removable self-cleaning filter prevents food particles from clogging the dishwasher, and plug-and-play controls plus ADA compliance certification make it safe for home installation. Another nice feature is that you can choose to heat or dry without heat. The Frigidaire 18 dishwasher comes in the size of 18 by 22.5 by 35 inches, while its weight is 54 pounds. Also, there is a certified disinfection cycle. This device is specifically designed to make your everyday life easier and make the air in your home as healthy as possible. The majority of users are satisfied with this product, emphasizing that there are no objective flaws that need to be mentioned. With this, we've rounded up all the important features of this product, so we can now move on to the next review. If you're looking for the most compact option that still delivers high-quality performance, we have specially selected the Black+Decker BCD6W Compact Dishwasher for you as the best compact dishwasher available on the market in 2022. Finally, a product from a brand everyone can recognize. Again, the cleaning performance of this countertop dishwasher is pretty comparable to the other appliances on this list. In addition to the same 6 cycles as most dishwashers on this list, the BCD6W has a 90-minute baby care cycle. It also has a timer function from 1 to 24 hours. One of the things that set the Black+Decker dishwasher apart from the competition is its looks. With its stainless steel handle and touchscreen user interface, it's easily the best looking dishwasher on the list. If you have a more modern looking kitchen and don't want a white box on the counter to ruin its visual appeal, you won't regret choosing a Black+Decker dishwasher. With a solid capacity, this dishwasher is the right size for a small to medium-sized family and provides enough space for a full meal. So plates, bowls, cups, and cutlery can be quickly cleaned after a meal. It has 7 wash programs including intensive, normal, energy-saving eco, glass, 90 minutes, quick and soak, allowing users to choose the best program for each load. The device also has the option to delay the start of the cycle for up to 24 hours, and it comes with a child lock. The Black+Decker dishwasher weighs 46 pounds, and the product comes with all the necessary hoses and water connections for immediate use. It's a great choice for families with babies and anyone living in an apartment because the dishwasher only produces 60 decibels of sound, which is about the same noise level as a normal conversation. Furthermore, it has an LED screen to prevent cycle selections, and its tactile buttons let you set the aforementioned child lock. The compact design allows you to place it almost anywhere in the kitchen thanks to the size of 21.5 by 21.7 by 17.2 inches. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Up next, we present to you the silver medal and the title of the runner-up best dishwasher available on the market in 2022, the Frigidaire 24. This built-in dishwasher is the kitchen helper you've always wanted. It can remove stuck-on food residue with the Orbit Clean spray technology, while the DishSense technology automatically adjusts your wash cycle to the level of cleanliness you need. This dishwasher is certified by the National Sanitation Foundation to eliminate up to 99.9% of most common household bacteria during a sanitizing cycle. This model makes sure that your dishes not only look clean but are hygienically clean and gives you better water coverage for a thorough cleaning every time. DishSense technology automatically adjusts the cycle time based on how long it takes to clean your dishes. It also features easy-to-use cleaning cycle options, including top rack, rinse only, and intensive wash. You can set the dishwasher to work on your schedule, set it to run 2, 4, or 6 hours in advance, and more. Also, we must not forget the drying heating system. So the heating element helps to dry the dishes the first time. On the top shelf, you can place the dishes up to 8 inches high, while on the bottom shelf there's a gap of 11 to 13 inches. It also has 2 shelves for placing pans and pots. The Frigidaire 24 dishwasher comes in a stainless steel finish and the size of 24 by 25 by 34.25 inches, while the weight is 83 pounds. Also, note that the product comes uninstalled, so you'll have to install it yourself. In addition, this machine has an Energy Star certificate, as well as NSF, which of course is always welcome. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to a unanimous conclusion that the Bosch 300 Series dishwasher is the best overall dishwasher available on the market in 2022. We are looking at one of the most recommended models at many online stores and reviews. The device is made of stainless steel and has 5 wash cycles and 4 options. It weighs 91 pounds and comes in the size of 37 by 27 by 27 inches. Also, the device offers 3 levels of height. The Bosch 300 Series dishwasher is an excellent, powerful choice at a reasonable price. For anyone with space to spare, a full-size dishwasher is a clear choice. In the long run, we think the Bosch is your best bet for getting a reliable model that performs like the best full-size machines without entering the luxury price range. The device is adjustable in 9 positions, making it more flexible than many compact dishwashers. It usually stays about half the full size. This is a capacitor model that uses a filter and requires slightly less energy and water than full-size options. The cleaning performance is just as successful as the top-tier products on today's market. This model has a tray for water softening additives, which will help alleviate performance problems caused by mineral-rich water. The users especially like the very quiet operation, and they're quite satisfied with the cleaning quality. Installation is very simple for most customers, so it'll not be a problem. The Bosch 300 Series dishwasher comes in the size of 23.56 by 23.75 by 33.88 inches, while its weight is 79.8 pounds. Users are very satisfied with this product, pointing out that there are no objective defects that need to be noted, just like what you'd expect from a #1 product, right? Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best dishwashers of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.